Eegin kan akkuma haasa fakkaata garuu
asuma lagaadha hundi. Asuma beeku guddaadha malee. Haara kana yoo kan liqimsine. Ejjera.
Darbe qalame bagan baasani
Baga qalan.
inni araan kun campur migadi kacha balaa fara
Caccaba.
ani wani waan kan akkura guddaa kan tokko bara namni bara kana akkana ba oo san bara kana
Ready and I love that you're feeling. I officially have a surfboard from all the exercise that we did yesterday.
Oh, really? It sounds like you will do the exercise for the both of you then.
Me exercise?
Yeah.
No, when you're feeling because I also have a surf flipper. See?
You don't have slippers. Jenkins.
Wow! How did you do that?
Well, sometimes you just say something just right here at Sea Lion Cavern. Here at Echo. Yeah, you will know that if you actually read the Ranger Manual.
Ah, yeah, the Ranger Manual.
Yeah.
Shelly and I read that cover last night. Right, Shelly? Do you remember some of the info?
barbaadu anti muka balatti nabe kuru wala kamana tele wala
Okay, yeah, that's right. Seals and sea lions live on land and water. The land is where they have the babies and all the predators and all the threats.
Lalagyan.
Full alert! Full alert! Illegal fishing has been reported at Sea Lion Caverns.
There is no fishing in Sea Lion Cavern. This is a very protected area. Shelly, Jenkins, put the word out. We're gonna need a lot of help.
We're on it, boss. Let's go, Shelly.
Alright, tour group, I'm gonna need your help too. So if you see anyone, and we mean anyone trying to fish here, make sure you make a lot of noise to let us know. There is no fishing in our watch, right guys? Exactly, let's go.